seen ads for spothires.com offering $35 an hour just to listen to music. Sounds like the dream, right? Get paid to vibe to your playlist. But let's be real. When something sounds too good to be true online, it usually is. So, is Spot Hires the real deal or just another shady scam? Let's dig in. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. SpotHires.com claims you can make $35 per hour just by listening to music and leaving feedback. No experience needed, super flexible. Sounds amazing, right? But a quick reality check, according to malware tips, this site's part of a common scam trend. The article breaks it down. Spot Hires doesn't actually pay out. It lures people in with the promise of getting big money, but then earlier, or either asks for upfront fees, pushes shady referral programs, or ghosts completely once you try to cash out. There is no real contact information, no legit business registration, and no proof anyone's ever gotten paid. Plus, the site design and wording look copy pasted from other known scam sites. Big yikes. So is podtires.com a legit $35 per hour music gig? Nope. It's just another too good to be true offer that's all bait and no payoff. If you're looking for a side hustle, there are real options out there. But this isn't one of them. Have you come across Spot Hires or a site like it? Got scammed or dodged the bullet? Drop your story in the comments, and if you want more straight up reviews and scam alerts, hit the like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.